Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get your Discord token. So firstly, open up your web browser and go to your Discord web page. But side note, in order to actually do this you need to be on a browser. It won't work on mobile devices. And open your Discord. Then just click on the four dot icon at the top right corner. Then go to more tools. Then developer tools. And then click on applications. But if you are unable to find application, just like me, just click on the right side facing arrow and choose application. When you're inside the application, you will find the column storage, in which you need to click the drop down of local storage, and there will be http://discord.com. Just click on that. Then in the filter section, just search for token, and then just press space for one time. So after you're done with this, just click on the toggle devices application right over here, and here you have it. This is the Discord token. Now you can just simply copy it and paste it anywhere you may like. For example, text document. Just simply paste it over here and then save it. And now you have successfully got your Discord token. So that's it. And if you want to get out of the developer mode, you can just simply click on the X at the top right corner. And that should do it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.